This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Liz Souza. Immerse yourself in Kissimmee's magic with this 3-bed, 2-bath fully furnished, bright and sunny condo just minutes from Disney. Nestled in a gated community, it offers an open floor plan with kitchen overlooking living areas. The primary suite, 2 spare bedrooms, laundry room, and a private garage add to the comfort. Step onto the screened balcony to enjoy lush landscaping. Community pool and spa, tennis and clubhouse, nearby dining, and shopping enhance the lifestyle. Ideal as a primary residence or investment property. Short-term or long-term rental possibilities. Internet and cable included. Contact me for a viewing of your dream home. For more information, review the details below.